if you want to clean your energy, you need to really, really relax. And it helps just to have that intention of cleaning because it gives an instruction to the energy that that's what you're asking for. And when you really relax in a cleaning energy field or with a cleaning intention, you will probably feel that there's energy that goes through your body. And sometimes it's especially noticeable where it hits an area that is blocked because you can feel more tension around that area, or you might even feel symptoms in that area increasing rather than decreasing a little bit at first when the new fresh energy comes in contact with the old energy that is holding that part of you blocked. And then because you're really relaxing and you're really into it, you're getting lots of fresh energy flowing through you. It's like a river flowing through you. And that increases the pressure on the blocked areas, but also that pressure enables them to get cleared